Hello everyone. Akshar Katta welcomes you. I am Saurabh Patil. I have been practicing calligraphy for more than 5 years, presenting the series of Devanagari calligraphy. In this series, I'll be helping you to learn how to write the Devanagari script. So without further delay, let's begin. In this video, I'll be talking about material like tool, paper, etc., how to hold the tool, how to take the measurements, and about spacing. Devanagari. Devanagari is an Indian ancient script. Incidentally, 15 different languages in India are written by the single script: Sanskrit, Marathi, Hindi, Konkani, Bhojpuri, Nepali, Bihari, Bhilli, so on and so forth. 15 different languages by single script. Isn't that interesting? But more fascinating thing is to actually take the feel of writing the letters onto the paper by your own. Believe me, it will be an amazing experience. Let's quickly go through the materials. Right now I am having these tools with me. These are the ice cream sticks, normal ice cream sticks. I have cut them at a certain angle so that I can use it like a tool for Devanagari calligraphy. Usually I use it to get special texture. This one is handmade automatic Devanagari style pen. Not only for Devanagari, you can use it for italic, Gothic or Roman style. Then there is an automatic pen. It generally comes in the set of 5. In market, this normal one and Devanagari cut pen, which is I'm not having, they both are available. Oh, Pilot, a royal pen of the Pilot family. It's a Pilot parallel pen. One of the best pen that I have came across. It comes in the 4 different sizes. This one is of 6 mm width. This one is cut nib pen from the Sky Gold. Let me show you the whole kit. Yeah, here it is. This box contains extra nibs, a few cartridge and one increaser wire. Nib is quite thick, so it is difficult to get that thin stroke. I would not recommend this. There are better options are there in the market. Last but not the least, these are chisel cut marker from the Luxter brand. As you can see, Luxter Super Chisel Cut markers. They're quite affordable, easily available, and there is no need to feed extra ink to them, which reduces the chance of creating mess onto the paper. If you had played with the ink, you know what I mean. If you are a beginner, I would highly recommend to use the markers. For a moment, let's keep them aside. As in the whole series, I am demonstrating using the markers only because they comes in the variety of the colors. So pick any colors and start writing. You can also decorate your work using the various color combinations. You can start with any of the tools that you are having, but these markers will be preferable. Oh, hang on, I haven't finished yet. We are forgetting something. Yeah, papers, right. Papers, very basic things, right? But being a calligrapher, it is really important to choose a good pair of pen and paper. Here I am having around 50 GSM A4 size paper. Simply the paper that are used to take the prints or the xerox. You can use any smooth paper of around 70 to 100 GSM. For a beginner, graph paper will be the best. If you don't have any of this, use good quality of notebook or diary. If you look at these tools, NIP, it is having a certain angle and it has purpose. Rather, it helps to draw the letter effectively. I'll show how. Just have a look. Angle is around 30 to 35 degrees centigrade and we have to hold the pen nearly around 45 degrees centigrade. Exact 45? Not necessary. Rather not possible. But we have to make sure that it must lie between 40 to 50 degrees centigrade, approximately 45 degree. Hold the pen like this, drag it vertically downwards, like this, yeah. This stroke has the name in Devanagari, Danda. Using the same angle, one random shape, then the horizontal line called Shiroresha. Now I am demonstrating the few lines and curves using the markers by same techniques. Here it is like this, yeah. Well, we will quickly go through this practice sheet. This one is the practice sheet having some basic shapes. How did I made this? I have just split the letters, collected a few common basic shapes and arranged them in the order, and our practice sheet is ready. Later in the video, I will explain how to make it. But if you want ready-made, you simply mail me or DM me on Insta or WhatsApps. Links are in the description. Now coming to the practice part, start with the horizontal line. Just to make sure that your pen is held at 45 degree angle approximately. Here I have shown few of them, but you have to practice for the whole page, remember. If required, practice few more pages until you get handy with them. Then vertical like this. Then combination of horizontal and vertical. Next is like this. Vertical line followed by half curve. Just make sure that you must apply an uniform pressure over an entire stroke. Then few half circular strokes. Then circular one like this. Then practice few curves as shown. And these curves has got very much importance in the Devanagari. If you observe Devanagari letters carefully, apart from the horizontal and vertical lines, every letter has got at least one curve. So practice them as much as possible. Just remember, there is no shortcut. More you practice, more quickly you will learn lettering. Okay, a few hook strokes, rare in the use but difficult to make, so make them handy as well. As I promise, we'll quickly see how to make this sheet. But before making this sheet, you must know the concept of slant stroke width. Normal width when pen is held at 90 degree to the horizontal. Then the slant width when the pen is at 45 degree. As you can differentiate that normal width is bit wider than the slant width. In this whole series, we are going to use slant width only for taking measurements. So now onwards, if I say width, it means the slant width, not a normal one. Okay. This is the way to take the measurements. This one is 3 width thickness. Then double width thickness. Then comes single width. Six width, and so on. Now we will come to our original practice sheet. Use this pen width measurement technique as I have recently showed. Always use this pen width measurement technique so that you can draw lead in the required proportion. I've divided our practice sheet, their shapes, into single width stroke, double width stroke, 4 width, 5 width, and 6 width stroke respectively as shown. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you have any queries, doubts, suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. And for such upcoming videos of Devanagari series, subscribe to my channel Akshar Katta. Thank you.